Now this is a series branch. So this series branch will be replaced by a shunt branch. Okay, so a shunt branch will be there, and in this shunt branch, this resistance will be replaced by a conductance. 1 ohm resistance will be replaced by 1 more conductance, which is equivalent to 1 ohm resistance, and 2 Henry inductance will be replaced by 2 farad capacitance, like this. This is 2 farad capacitance. After that, we are having a shunt branch. This shunt branch will be replaced by a series branch. Now this shunt branch is nothing but a series combination of capacitance and resistance. So here we will be having a shunt combination, parallel combination of resistance and inductance. So this resistance means this is conductance of 3 mho, that means a resistance of 1 by 3 ohm here, and this capacitance will be replaced by this inductance of 2 Henry. Then after this we will be having, this is again, after this we are having this shunt branch. So this next shunt branch will be replaced by a series branch. This is parallel combination. This is series branch. This will be replaced by a shunt branch. So now we will be having a combination of series combination. This is parallel shunt combination, parallel combination. Instead of this we will be having series combination, but this is connected in series. Now this will be connected in shunt. So for example, if suppose this is 2 ohm and this is 3 farad, so 3 farad will be replaced by 3 Henry and 2 ohm will be replaced by 0.5 ohm or 1 by 2 ohm. Then again this branch will be replaced by this branch. So this 5 ohm will be replaced by 0.2 ohm, and not this, this is voltage source. Okay, so we will be having, so here we will be having 5 ohm or 1 by 5 ohm resistance in parallel with the current source. So there will be a current source in parallel with this, and both of them are constituting this series branch. Now if I travel in this clockwise direction, there will be a drop. There will be a drop. So because there is a drop of 2 volt, what does that mean? From non-reference node, this is reference node and this is non-reference node. So from non-reference node towards this reference node, so direction will be this direction. So whenever I write, for example, KVL equation for this mesh, then in KVL of this equation mesh, after equals to sign, we will be having -2. Okay, this drop plus this drop plus this drop plus this drop equals to -2. Here if I write KCL equation at this node, now what we will be having? This current plus this current plus this current equals to -2 ampere. Okay, therefore this will be the direction. Okay, similarly here also, actually here this series branch is redundant. There is no use of this series branch because this is in series with this current source, and here also this shunt branch is of no use, it is redundant.